Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is Burgh Unboxing. Now, I got this on Saturday, but I wasn't feeling well, so that's why I am opening it up today. So here's the box, and let's see what the note says. I was busy watching the Saint, the Fiction Makers, and Happy Birthday, Be Goofy. Oh, gosh. Well, okay, is that goofy enough for you? Oh, yep. Okay. All right, we have here two items with a nice bag in this one. So let's see what this is. This is by Yanzi. You and the Eco Earth. I'm not sure about the Eco Earth, but all right, this is actually two of them, it looks like. It doesn't open. Oh, that's a hell of a note. Well, this one doesn't work. The zipper is messed up. Let's try this one. This one works. Little kitty cat thing. And not sure what you're supposed to do here. Oh, it's a bag that folds into itself. You put the bag in the little pouch. Well, thank you for this, whoever sent it. There's the little kitty bag, carrying bag with Y, and Mew, it says on it. It's very cute. All right, thank you for that one. I don't know what to do about the one that doesn't want to open, because the zipper does not want to. There we go. I got it. Well, I'm not going to open up the second one. It's the same one. So thank you for that, though. I appreciate it very much. It's very, very cute. And I'll put that in the other bags later. And then here we have, I'm not going to open this up because I don't want to use it until the bedding is all cleaned off and I have the floor vacuum. This will go with the electric blanket. This is a sheet set. This is a microfiber sheet set, machine wash in cold water, and can't tell what size, nothing is checked off, but full purple sheet set. So thank you for this. All right, that's it for this one. This is George, send to the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry or cool and dry. And stay safe, and no stimulus check for me as of this morning. So I will see what I can do about this box. And put it away. I'll have to look at the instructions on how to wash these or care for these or whatever later. There goes the box. All right. Bye-bye for now.